Hi everybody, Derek here from Arcadia Rug Spa, and we put a little video together just to reassure and educate our customers on steps that we are putting in place while we're working during this pandemic. There are three options you can choose from for getting your rugs to us. Firstly, by post, but please contact us beforehand for an address because our unit isn't open as usual. Secondly, we are offering a free collection and return service within 20-mile radius of our unit. On top of the free collection and return service, we are also offering a free antimicrobial clean with every rug, just for peace of mind. Lastly, if you are further afield, we are offering an appointment only drop off. So you can drop your rugs with us by appointment only, so you will have to call first. Please note we will be using social distancing at every opportunity when you do bring your rugs to us. In terms of our collect and return service, we are also being extremely careful. Once we arrange a time for collection, we will ask you to leave your rug outside in a safe place. When returning your rug, we will bag the rug up, we will drop it off either in an outbuilding or outside your door, and then we give it a wipe down with an antimicrobial spray and cloth, just again for your peace of mind. As a small team of just me and my wife, we are taking extra precautions in this uncertain time. You can stay rest assured that while we're taking care of your rug, we will be doing everything possible to keep you and ourselves as safe as possible. I hope this video has reassured you in our COVID-19 processes and that you will continue to use our services, knowing full well we'll do everything in our power to keep you safe and ourselves safe. We look forward to cleaning your rugs when you feel necessary to get in touch with us. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call or send us an email. Thank you and stay safe.